Find mean and median of the data set. Each of the 6 cats in a pet store was weighed. Here are their weights in pounds. 16 pounds, 9 pounds, 8 pounds, 7 pounds, 13 pounds, and 6 pounds. Find the median and the mean weights of these cats. If necessary, round your answers to the nearest tenth. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start with mean first. The mean is the average. Okay, so I need to average these numbers, which means I need to add them all up and then divide by the number of numbers that there are. So I'm going to add them all up, and I know there were 6 cats, so I'm going to divide by 6. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my calculator. So I'm going to do 16 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 13 plus 6. Make sure that's all 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter. Divided by 6. So my mean is 9 point. They want me to round to the 10th. So I'm going to stop after the first number after my decimal. So it's going to be 9.8 pounds is the mean. That's my mean. Now in order to find my median, I have to order my points from least to greatest. So here we go. The smallest point here I see is a 6. The next smallest is a 7, 8, 9, 13, and 16. So I've reordered my points from smallest to greatest, and now I just have to find the middle number. So I count from the outside in. So 1, 2. Now these 2 are the middle numbers, so I have to take the average of these 2. So I'm going to do 8 plus 9 divided by 2, which is 17, divided by 2, which is 8.5, which you can check on your calculator, but it also makes sense because 8.5 is right between these. So my mean is 9.8, but my median is 8.5.